Hello guys, this is my new wing. Here it is. It's a 1.4 meter wingspan made out of a foam board, 5mm top panel, 3mm bottom, so max is 8mm thickness. I have glued the center joint of the wing. I reinforced it with a fiberglass and 5-minute epoxy, top and bottom, and also glued together with 5-minute epoxy. It's very strong joint. It will never break apart before the wing. And also I have reinforced with carbon fiber strip cloth, top and bottom, as you can see. I've also made tried to make a good paint job just to add some color, which I didn't manage very good. It's a very slick wing. And now onto the mounting system. I have glued a small piece of ply, 0.8 millimeter thickness, top and bottom, and also reinforced it with a carbon fiber cloth, and drilled holes here and here all the way through the wing in order to receive the boom. The boom, this is a old boom, the one I took off the plane across recently from 15 meters dive. It was intact, so I thought I could use it again, reuse it. To mount it onto the wing, I have drilled 2 holes, one here and one here, 2mm holes, and glued this piece of carbon fiber rods, 2mm carbon fiber rods, into the boom. Now, in order to mount it, I turn the wing around, insert as you can see here, the carbon fiber rods into the holes, push it down like this, and now it's ready. As you can see here, it's mounted. It has a little space, so if I wanted, I could adjust by raising this and putting something in between. I could raise the wing to have a different angle of attack, or I could leave it parallel to the boom. Okay, and now to secure the wing, I'll use these rubbers, as you can see here, the bottom here, and the same with the back. It's very easy. Like this. And here. Now it's very solid, the connection is very solid, it's very hard to move it. And I think it's gonna be good. I only have to add my ailerons. As you can see, the ailerons go into the hole and also put the safety on, so it's mounted. And again from here, the same, into the hole. Sorry. And on top for the safety. If you can see it, now it's ready to go. I only have to add power to the system. Now I use a 4-channel receiver, as you can see here. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 slots for 4 servos. And because I didn't have where to put the battery, I soldered directly to the back of the receiver. So now I don't have to plug it here, and it's ready to go. As usual, the cover, top cover, sliding in carefully. It's a tight fit. Like this. And this is the top side. My transmitter, simple flash transmitter. So, ailerons, brakes on this lever, or thermal setup like this. Ailerons and rudder and elevator. The wing is very stiff. We can barely bend it. And I think it's due to the carbon fiber I reinforcement. Also, this is my throwing peg. It's a 4mm outside diameter carbon fiber tube, as you can see through it. And inside, in between the two foam boards, panels, I have glued a oval shape ply, 0.8mm thin. So it's very stiff and it can withstand a lot of force. So, see you in the mailing. Bye.